Avalanche Computing provides a rocket engine for the AI industry. Avalanche Computing is a deep tech provider which provides hyperscale computing service for artificial intelligence industries. Its AI framework effectively trains the AI model in parallel or distributed model on multiple GPUs. The mission of Avalanche Computing is, first, to help AI experts on time saving on AI environment configuration. Second, the AI model training with changing the original network design. Third, improving the AI model inference with no deployment pipeline configuration. Fourth, assisting the traditional company in using AI in 4 clicks. Fifth, it provides the best performance-optimized AI workflow to privacy-sensitive clients. Using the Avalanche Computing platform, the AI training time is 3.5 times faster than before. Its focus on providing the performance-optimized AI workflow is especially for the smart medical industry and intelligent manufacturing. Avalanche Computing provides end-to-end deep learning solutions.